The Trane Apprenticeship program allows the technicians to grow their skill level and work on really cool equipment. Here at Trane, we work on the best of the best, and they're learning from the best technicians on the job.
The variety of units that we work on, the equipment that we work on, from the rooftops to the chillers to a basement, there's so much different variety compared to things I've done in the past that it's really challenging and engaging.
Well, what excites me about this job is heading to a different job site every day. It's kind of nice that every single day is different from the one before.
One thing that really excites me is going and solving problems that other people can't figure out, and getting those solutions to our customers.
The biggest thing that Trane Technologies has gained since we implemented the Trane Apprenticeship program is we've been able to bring in technicians that fit our culture, want to be here and want to learn. We're able to teach them the skills that they need to be effective in the field.
I like the environment that Trane Technologies has and how they include everybody, and we are always seeing the best in everybody.
Oh, it's very nice to have support from the fellow apprentices all the way to the senior techs. You're made to feel included everywhere you go.
So one of the great things about our program is that technicians get paid while they learn.
This is now a second opportunity to learn a trade. They're paying me to learn it. They're giving me every opportunity, all the teachings, all the material, all the support that I need in order to be successful, and that's huge.
The thing I love about this program is that we're not just learning in a classroom, we're learning on the job.
What's most important is getting out there, getting your hands on equipment, and then being able to apply what you learned in the program.
If anyone's considering a change of careers, I would definitely recommend the apprenticeship program. It's shown me that Trane not only is a great place to work, but it's a company that actually cares for you as well.
I feel like I'm in control of my career path. And when I kind of put that out there to the people that I work with or to the leadership, they help me get there.
By offering the apprenticeship program, we are investing in our apprentices' future, and in doing so, we're investing in the future of Trane Technologies.